Well, here we are at day 8, and I still haven't figured out the live stream thing yet. Probably need a separate camera because I don't really want to leave the phone out here on its own for any length of time because iPhone's just too expensive for that. Anyway, this is another cool cloudy day. And you can probably hear today's bird interference is being run by our local crows. Actually, they're technically not crows, they're ravens here in WA, but we call them crows anyway because that's just the way it is. Yeah, and the galahs are coming over as well. This time of the day it's very noisy. Not vehicle noise anyway, which is probably that's better than listening to cars roaring up and down the road. Anyway, that's about that's all we've got today. Just more of the same, day 8. There's a bee buzzing around right in front of the camera then. I don't know if you could pick that up. Day 8 of, what, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks until we open it up and check it out. Anyway, we'll see what happens tomorrow morning.